Welcome back, this is Panda-Frog, and today I'd like to show you my new order. I got the Southord NPS-2000 pocket pen lockpick set. And I'd like to kind of review it, because I find it a nice concept, but with some flaws, I have to say. First flaw of the bat: you can only fit so many of the different picks in the pen, but not every pick that comes with it. So if you unscrew the back, you got all your picks in here, but not every pick you have will fit in there. So you can see, let's get some in there. Almost full. Try another one or two. Let's see. That's it. No, that doesn't fit anymore. So we got at least 5 more pick tips we can't take with us in the pen. In this set we have all the different picks, the rakes and the hooks. So we got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 pick tips. And we get these tension tools, which you can put here, and when you screw the cap on, then it's like fixed. But we can only take one with us, I believe, because it would look stupid if you do it like this, I would say. I haven't found a place where you can put every, like in here or stuff. Doesn't work. No, that doesn't work. Maybe we could do it like this. I don't know. But yeah, it looks stupid. Alright, so I'm going to just take the tips I like with me, like city rake, of course, because it's always fun for quick entry. Then the hooks, diamonds, come on, and that one. So at least this one. The rest I will think about. So how do we get the tip in here? You can unscrew the front. Let me show you. Let me unscrew it completely. Okay, so you see this is really nicely made. It's like aluminum tube. It's not heavy. I can weigh it up in a minute. Then we got this little screw here to tighten, and this tip holder with a threading here, and we could just thread in the, no, we can, other side, sorry, can like this. One other flaw I find is that you don't have a threading in this holder here, because you have to see there's nothing, just like, yeah, basically you have to screw in with this tip holder thingy until you're close enough that you can use this one. So you can untighten it with this one, but then you have to push it down a little, and then you can use the tip. Okay, so let's put one in here, one of the picking tips. Let me close the back. Alright, so now we got our nice little tool here. It is not heavy. Got a scale here. Let me see if I can set it up really quickly. Alright, what is it? Grams? It's grams right now. So there's one pick tip. It's about 32 grams. And let's throw another couple picks on it, just to see what we need to carry. That's barely moving. Let's throw everything on it. 46 grams and some more tension tools. So we got 50 grams in total with everything. I think that's pretty neat. I will have one of these in my. I will have this one in my backpack for sure. So alright. How thick are they? They are. This millimeters go to like 0.025 to 4, and in millimeters that's about, I believe they are fairly big. I need to make 0.6 millimeters. I need to make some thinner picks. I got some material here, but I found out that it won't hold in the tip holder, so I have to think about what I can do. Maybe I file down this one a little, because 25,000, it's very thick. For European logs, it's not good. Alright, so tensioning tools. All the different tips over here. So we got different lengths and thicknesses and sizes, and as you can see, but I only can take one with me, because I only have one place to put it in here. And I find with my little log here, yeah, it's okay. I would probably have a couple tension tools with me anyways, so I'm gonna use a different one, and let's see how this one picks. So for the tensioning tools, I'm not really happy. Alright, okay, let's do this. It's not too bad. If you have enough room to work, it's pretty neat. Get a good feeling for the pins. That's okay. You have to get a little used to the length of the tool, because it's very long. But overall, it's not too bad. The price is a little high, I believe, like, I don't know, 50 bucks. And I will carry it in my backpack, but I have to make me, that's what I meant. Now I unscrewed it and can't get it out. I have to pull this one back. So, yeah. So basically, it is a nice tool. It's very nicely made. There's cannot take every pick in the set with you, every pick tip, and I believe they are a little too big. They should come in different thicknesses, and the tensioning tools are not that great, but overall it is a nice tool. It's a nice tool to have in your arsenal, and I will have this one with me when I travel. If I find the new lock, if I can buy one, or if I find one legally, of course, or somebody gives one to me, I at least have a pick with me, and the tensioning tool you can always make up somewhere. Alright, so I'm gonna take this one with me as well. I believe I got enough tools in here, and I probably gonna use a smaller tensioning tool. Put it back together. Another thing, it's very noisy. Alright, that's it about this little tool. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I got that one when they had like a little sale on the pants, so yeah, it wasn't that expensive to me. Hope you liked it, and see you next time. Bye bye.